What makes the BMW Z4 so fascinating isn't just the way it drives, it's the way it refuses to follow the rules. Every other brand in 2025 is chasing complexity. They want bigger screens, more software, more automation, more layers between the driver and the machine. But the Z4 quietly does the opposite. It pulls all that noise away and reminds you what a car is supposed to feel like. And that might be the main reason this roadster has started gaining attention again. When you start pushing the Z4 through tight roads, the car begins to reveal its true personality. The steering isn't overly light or artificial. It has weight, texture, and honesty. The chassis communicates constantly, letting you know exactly what's happening at the wheels. And the balance, that's where BMW's experience truly shows. Front engine, rear-wheel drive, lightweight body, low seating position. This is the classic recipe for an old-school sports car, but tuned with modern precision. You feel connected, planted, and confident even when you're entering a corner a little too quickly. And then there's the roof-down experience. Most convertibles deliver some feeling of freedom, but the Z4 turns it into something cinematic. The wind wraps around the cabin just enough to feel alive without becoming uncomfortable. The exhaust echoes between buildings, bouncing around like you're driving your own soundtrack. The sun hits the sculpted dashboard, the body glows in the light, and every turn feels like it's happening inside a movie scene you've already dreamt of. It's not just a car, it's a mood, a perspective shift, a way to escape whatever you left behind. But here's the part many people underestimate. The Z4's character isn't built on raw power, it's built on balance and attitude. The numbers are solid: quick acceleration, sharp handling, strong braking. But the magic comes from how these elements blend. It's never trying to overwhelm you. Instead, it invites you into the rhythm of the drive. It wants you to feel every gear change, every small shift in weight, every rise and fall of the road. And that subtlety is something most modern cars have forgotten. Another reason the Z4 stands out in 2025 is because it exists in a shrinking world. Roadsters used to be everywhere, two-seaters made for fun, not practicality. But now most brands don't want to risk building niche cars anymore. They focus on SUVs, crossovers, and electrified models that appeal to the masses. That leaves just a handful of pure convertibles on the market, and the Z4 is one of them. It's almost rebellious. A small luxury roadster powered by a turbocharged engine feels like a message to the industry. We're not done yet, and enthusiasts know this. That's why used Z4s, especially the older manual models, have exploded in popularity. People are realizing how rare this breed of car is becoming. And because the 2025 model could be one of the last gas-powered roadsters BMW builds, every detail suddenly feels more meaningful. The stitching on the seats, the sound of the throttle, the smooth motion of the roof mechanism, all of it feels like a chapter in the final book of a genre that's slowly fading away. Inside the cabin, the refinement becomes even more noticeable. BMW didn't try to reinvent the interior, they simply perfected what already worked. Everything is placed with intention. The controls fall naturally where your hands expect them. The screens blend into the dashboard instead of dominating it. And the materials, from the leather to the metallic trim, feel tailored instead of mass-produced. It's a level of quality that doesn't shout. It whispers quietly, confidently, like a luxury brand that knows its value. But maybe the most interesting thing about the 2025 Z4 is how it changes the driver. It doesn't make you drive fast, it makes you drive better. You start paying attention to the road again. You start noticing small details, the temperature of the air, the sound of the engine bouncing off a tunnel wall, the slight vibration of the steering wheel at idle. The Z4 brings you back into the moment. It's almost therapeutic. And when the drive ends, when you finally park the car and step out, there's this subtle feeling that stays with you. Not adrenaline, not exhaustion. It's something calmer, like clarity. Like for a while everything made sense. And that, more than horsepower or technology, is what makes the Z4 special. BMW didn't build this car to chase numbers. They built it to remind people how driving is supposed to feel. Raw, real, personal. The 2025 Z4 is more than a convertible. It's one of the last emotional roadsters left in the world. And if this really is the final chapter of the gasoline-powered Z4, BMW wrote it beautifully. Before you click away, take a second to join the ride with us. If you enjoyed diving into the story behind this machine, imagine what's coming next: even more convertibles, more hidden details, more emotional deep dives into the cars that define freedom, style, and pure driving passion. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a like, because every time you do, it helps this channel reach more people who love cars the same way you do. And trust me, the next videos we're preparing are on another level. Engines that scream, designs that shock, and stories that most people have never heard. Stick around, stay curious, and join the Cabrioverse family. Your support truly means more than you think. There's something unusual about the BMW Z4. Something people don't notice at first glance. Most convertibles fade away after a few years, replaced by newer, louder, and more aggressively styled machines. But the Z4, it just stays. Quiet, steady, and almost mysterious. It never tries to dominate the headlines, but year after year, it finds a way to evolve without losing its identity. And the 2025 model is proof that BMW is protecting this car like a secret they aren't ready to reveal. At first glance, the Z4 looks like a simple luxury toy, a weekend escape car, a stylish convertible you take to the seaside, or an empty mountain road when you want to disconnect from your real life. But when you get closer, when you see how the body lines flow over the long hood, or the way the stance sits low and confident, something clicks. BMW didn't design this as a casual convertible. They designed it as a modern interpretation of what a true roadster should be. Small, focused, emotional, and engineered to make you feel alive the moment you turn the key. But here's where the story becomes interesting. BMW didn't redesign the Z4 from the ground up this year. Instead, they refined it strategically. The proportions remained, but the details became sharper. The curves tightened. The surfaces grew cleaner. BMW knows exactly who buys this car. They know Z4 drivers don't care about overly dramatic styling or massive spoilers. They want elegance with an edge. They want a car that looks expensive without screaming for attention. And the 2025 version nails that balance. It's confident without being loud, bold without being exaggerated. Under the hood, BMW kept the engines familiar, but familiarity doesn't mean outdated. The base 4-cylinder model is quick and responsive, perfect for drivers who want a smooth, controlled ride that still carries BMW's signature liveliness. But the M40i, that's where the real personality comes out. The instant torque, the tight throttle response, the way the car leaps forward with zero hesitation. It feels like BMW hid a little bit of their M-Division attitude inside a convertible shell. It's fast without trying too hard, and the moment you hear that exhaust crack on an upshift, you understand exactly why car lovers keep coming back to the Z4. But there's a twist to all this, a bigger story happening behind the scenes. The automotive world is shifting. Hybrids and EVs are everywhere. Gas-powered sports cars are being phased out one by one. And as this transition speeds up, roadsters like the Z4 are becoming rare. Very rare. BMW hasn't said it officially, but insiders keep whispering that this generation of the Z4 might be the final one powered purely by gasoline. If that rumor is true, this car instantly becomes more special than anyone expected, because it's not just another Z4, it's the last chapter of an era, the last time BMW gets to show what a traditional mechanical emotional roadster can be. Inside the cabin, BMW focused on simplicity, not basic, just purposeful. The screens are crisp, the graphics are clean, and the materials feel premium without becoming overwhelming. The car still feels like a cockpit. The driving position is low, the steering wheel is tight in your hands, and the visibility is pure roadster freedom. The seats hold you perfectly, even when the car starts dancing around corners. And the roof, it folds down so fast and so smoothly that you barely even notice the transition. One second you're inside a quiet coupe, the next the world opens up around you. refuses to disappear.